Good morning everyone from my cabin. Today is the 13th of November, which is a Friday. Yeah, I know. And today I am going on a boat trip. This is called Under the Bridge. I booked it with Strömma. I got ready right now and I got my breakfast. They were packed in a small lunch bag. I got an apple in my bag. Then I got a banana. These are my two favorite fruits, so I'm very happy about that. Then I got my gluten-free bread and I received a jam from it, so I am going to make a sandwich about this. So like a jam sandwich. Now I am going to the ferry station and to catch the boat, and see you there. Which is called Under the Bridges of Stockholm, and this is a guided trip, so you can have your own headphone and listen to the guidance in 7 different languages. And the boat is small, but it's very comfortable. I'm very happy that inside of the boat it's very warm, because outside it's like freezing cold. Behind the bar you can go outside and can take pictures and videos, but I can only stay there for like, I don't know, 5 minutes because it's freezing cold. Oh my god. And unfortunately it's raining a little bit, so it's pretty hard to make any pictures and videos, but it's still very beautiful. And we are going under more than 20 bridges in Stockholm. If you book this trip, you can have a possibility to look around Stockholm from another view. Trip costs online 288 Swedish crowns, so it was around 29 euros, which I think it's completely fine. local restaurant in the old town, Gamla stan, because I wanted to try the traditional glögg. Technically, this is a Swedish version of hot wine, so it's like a Christmas drink. Problem was that the season is not there yet because you know it's only the 13th of November, so it was pretty hard to find it. But one tip from me, if you cannot find it like around the streets or like in cafes, you should come to a restaurant because usually they serve it. So I got it and I am going to try it right now. Cheers! Oh my god, this is so good, really. It's my drink. I love this, you know, Christmas taste, and I really like wine too. Also on the boat trip, travel guide, he told me how to drink the glögg as a traditional Sweden. So first you get some raisins and you get almond and you have to put these in the glögg and then you have to take them out with your spoon. That's how you drink the glögg in a traditional Swedish way. So let's try it. Let's get some raisins out. Oh my god. It's even better. The raisins are very sweet and it makes the wine even more sweeter. And I really love sweet things. Definitely try this when you're in Sweden. After I had my glögg in the restaurant, I went to shop because I wanted to try this Swedish sweet. I found this one, and this is something like licorice, and it is, they told me it is pretty salty. I'm going to try it out right now. It smells very interesting, let's say. Okay. Wish me luck. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is so salty. And it's very... Okay. Oh, okay. I'm very sorry. I don't like this at all. Oh my god. No. Today is the 14th of November and I am flying back to Budapest, So I already arrived to the airport. I had to take the airport bus again. I went to the central station, and then at this booth from the company called Flugbasarna, they took me to Skavsta airport, which is like 18 minutes away from Stockholm. Now I am taking the Wizz Air to go back to Budapest. That was my trip for Sweden. I hope you enjoyed my video and see you next time. Goodbye.